Hi, are you a business that is manufacturing or importing consumer products? If you're a new business or are interested in expanding your product lines, you may be wondering what safety requirements apply to your products. CPSC has a handy tool called the Regulatory Robot that can help get you started in the right direction. The Regulatory Robot will ask you a series of questions about your product and will generate a customized report that summarizes the basic requirements. You can access the Regulatory Robot by navigating to business.cpsc.gov/robot. Once you get to the landing page, it will ask you to add a title. You can name the report whatever you'd like. Once you review and agree to the terms and conditions, click Agree and Continue. This is the category selection page. We recommend exploring the different categories to familiarize yourself with the tool. If you're not sure what category your product would fall under, you can click the green question marks in the upper right-hand corner of each category to see the types of products covered by the category. The Regulatory Robot is available in multiple languages, including Spanish, Chinese, and more. You'll see the options available in the bar at the top of the page, and you can switch between languages at any point while using the robot without losing your progress. After selecting a category, the Regulatory Robot will ask a series of simple questions about your product. Let's try an example together. Let's say your product is a children's product that does not fit into any of the existing categories, like a painted children's lamp. Your product likely falls under General Children's Product Requirements, which can be found under Miscellaneous Products. Children's lamps fall under the category of Other Children's Products. You'll see a question about whether the product contains button cell or coin batteries. Let's say the lamp uses a traditional outlet plug and is not powered by batteries, so we'll select No. You'll now see a list of product characteristics. The painted children's lamp does not meet any of these characteristics except for containing paint. Let's select that option and generate our final report. The Regulatory Robot generates a section for each likely applicable requirement and provides a summary of what that requirement entails. You can use the clickable links in the table of contents to take you to the different sections. Many of the sections include links to CPSC's business guidance pages on the topic, so you can learn more about each requirement after following those links. At the bottom of the page, you'll also have an option to download a PDF copy of your report. You can also bookmark the URL to bring you back to this page later without having to rerun the tool again. If you're enjoying the robot and are finding it helpful, or have some suggestions to make it even more useful, please use the feedback form. We'd love to hear from you. If you have more specific questions or still need help with the requirements, please contact CPSC's Small Business Ombudsman at our online contact form by calling us at 301-504-7945, calling us toll-free at 888-531-9070, or sending an email to sbo@cpsc.gov. We hope you enjoy using the Regulatory Robot.